Just wanted to show you the difference between the side streets and the main streets. This is a side street. Hey, be careful because four-wheel drives slide in the ice. They do pretty good, but they still slide sometimes. This is a semi-main street. Kind of in between a main street and a side street. The city likes to wait for a while before they get out and start plowing, because it's a waste of resources when it's still snowing hard to plow and then have to plow again in just a little bit. Here is what the main street looks like, because so many people have been driving down it. It's kind of cleared up. And this city will be out plowing the streets and putting down ice, and they'll work about 17-hour day shift cleaning the streets. I did that a few years ago when I was on the city. Oh, they're out already. See that? I think that's probably a state going to clean the highways and the interstates. If it gets too bad, they'll close down the interstate, but they can't close down the highways. So if anybody's going anywhere, they'll have to take the highways. I like going down the side streets because it's less people I gotta worry about running into me. She's wearing shorts. Look like she's carrying a laundry basket. Walking over to do laundry, I guess, at the laundromat. So this is almost as side of a street as they get. There's nothing on that side but a field, and then it goes to the cemetery, and then it goes to a golf course, and over here's a few houses. Up in front of us is just like farm field. There's corn. They grow corn over there during the summer times. Zoe barks even if there's nothing to bark at. Those are bales of hay, so they must grow hay over there. This here's what low-income housing looks like, or I don't know, you call it welfare housing or what you want to call it. Subsidized housing. It's funny, I wonder if they're going to get their housing paid even though the government shut down. And these ones too, those are the old style housing for low income. I gotta be careful here because they got ditches. They don't have pipes, they have ditches. Can't see two blocks in front of you. Snow's pretty good. Thanks for watching.